Hey, this is Yuri and welcome to BLAU Parts. This is a quick product overview for one of our BLAU automatic transmission fluid and filter change kits. This is going to apply to all 2016 to 2023 third generation Toyota Tacoma models with a 6-speed automatic transmission, also known as the Tacoma AC60 transmission, which was manufactured by Aisin. In this kit, we include 5 liters of the fully synthetic Eurol 7400 automatic transmission fluid, the transmission filter with valve body sealing O-ring, the transmission pan gasket and pan gasket spacers, and then the drain and level plug sealing washers. Some of the features of our BLAU transmission fluid change kit. For the transmission fluid, this kit uses the Eurol ATF, which is a premium fully synthetic automatic transmission fluid. Eurol is one of Europe's premier lubricant manufacturers, producing world-class products for over 40 years. Eurol is an official lubricant partner of Toyota Gazoo Racing in one of the toughest off-road truck races in the world, the Dakar Rally, which truly ensures the high quality and reliability of their transmission fluids for use in your Tacoma transmission. The Eurol ATF 7400 is a high-performance ATF specifically engineered for the Aisin AC60 6-speed automatic transmissions used in the Tacoma models. It meets the recommended WS type ATF specification, which is the only type of ATF that should be used in these transmissions. For the transmission filter and gasket and related hardware, we use OEM quality components that will allow for the exact same fitment and function as the original components. So that is a quick product overview for one of our BLAU automatic transmission, fluid and filter change kits for the 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma models with a 6-speed automatic transmission. We also have a full detailed step-by-step DIY instructional video and blog article linked below on how to properly install this kit in your Toyota Tacoma. If you have any other questions on our BLAU transmission fluid change kits, or to learn more about our full range of high-performance engine oils, transmission fluids, differential gear oils, and transfer case fluids for your Toyota Tacoma or any of your other vehicles, you can visit our website at blauparts.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.